Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian and welcome to another episode of Bailey Does. I've done some wine tasting, I've done etiquette, and now I need to do something with clothing because your girl needs some help. I don't know what I'm doing. You're probably thinking, Bailey, you don't need help. You have such a colorful closet. This isn't mine, this is borrowed. My whole closet is just a sea of black clothes. But normally I wear black, light black, dark black, faded black, black ombre, black ripped jeans, black top, you know? So I've seen a couple of videos out there on the interwebs. People were trying different stylized boxes. So what is a stylized box? It's where you take a little questionnaire on their website. You tell them everything about yourself, your size, how tall you are, what your sense of style is, and I don't know, we're gonna see what else it asks. And then they pick out clothes based off what they think you might like, mail it to you, you try the clothes on, you keep what you want, and you send back what you don't want. So you don't even have to go to the store comes to you. I'm trying out 4 stylist boxes. I have Stitch Fix, I have Wantable, Trunk Club, and Tote. Let's go. So I'm starting on the website Stitch Fix. I'm clicking women because do you enjoy shopping? I'd rather spend my time doing anything else. How tall am I? I think it's debatable. What's your weight? No one look. Look away, everybody. I see you looking. Look away! You guys are dicks. Nick, don't look at my boob size. What do you think of these styles below? Hate it, hate it, hate it. This is cute. I hate it. Moving on to Wantable. Which types of apparel would you like to receive? I don't know, girl. You tell me. Just send me a box. Like with these stylized boxes, you definitely have to have some kind of idea of what you already like. Now we're gonna do Trunk Club. Okay, do I like this style? No. Do I like this style? Do I like this style? Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. So we are going to try Le Tote. It's asking if I want classic clothes or maternity. So I'm gonna say classic. Choose the tops you would like to wear. Tunics, graphics, boho. Ooh, this is different. So I'm typing in my zip code and it's pulling up the weather. If you share your handle, they can like come and stalk you and hopefully like your pictures to boost your engagement. Stitch Fix, why is this so hard for me to say, is $20 for like the person to pick out the clothes for you, and then they ship it to you, you pay for the clothes you keep, and then you send back the stuff you don't want. The Wantable came out to $21.50 after shipping. The Trunk Club, that one costed $25, and again, if you keep the clothes, it could be more, it could be less. With Le Tote, it came out to $70.56. That's a lot of money. Next time I see you guys, I will have all of my stylized boxes. It's been about a week and I have received all of my style boxes, all 4 of them. Let's get into it. The first box is from Le Tote. So this is the first item we got. It's very sheer. It's got this thingy on the side, long sleeve, perfect for summer. And then we have a scarf. I don't even know what to do with the scarf. I don't know. Okay, then we have this. It's like a workout shirt. I think they're trying to tell me that I need to work out because I don't remember saying anything about working out, but that's okay. I do like to wear workout gear when I go like shopping and stuff. Look at my boobs though. I know this is all boys. This is kind of awkward. But my boobs look nice, look. Then we have this lovely dress. I like red. Red's my favorite color, so hey. You know, sometimes like you see these things and you think, oh my God, it's so ugly, and then you put it on and it's life-changing, so let's hope that it's life-changing. Trying to stay positive here. Yeah, this is for sending it back. The second box is from Stitch Fix. This must be the Just USA jeans. Okay. This is a bodysuit t-shirt, blouse. It's definitely a different design than what I would normally pick out, but okay, I like this, I think. This nice tank has this little cutout in the front. Oh, this is cute. A dress. I would wear this. Clubbing. Is this what people wear when they club? I don't know. No? Okay. The next box is from Wantable. Ooh, 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 ew. Buttons aren't even. We have a pair of jeans. These look like they are gonna be tight as hell. $128. They better be life-changing. We have another pair of jeans, blank NYC. I like a dark wash on my jeans. We have a white shirt with a pocket. It's kind of cheesy looking. We have some Luxe stretch jeans. Look at that stretch. That's calling my name. A black shirt. This shirt's cute. It has like the star little details on the top. It's very sheer. You can barely see it, but my skin lightly peeks through. It's nice because you could tuck it in. You could wear it tucked in, probably. A dress. A dress to wear to a funeral? I don't know when I would wear this. You gotta have a good dress for when someone dies. I think this would be a good one. Last but not least, we have Trunk Club. A stripy, it looks, oh, it has a stain on the back. We have what is it? A white sweatshirt, but it's like these like wide, what is this? Okay. And it has like, what is this? Again, I'm gonna stay open to it, but I don't know what this is. We have a blouse. This is a blouse, I think. We have a long sleeve, like black shirt. Dress pants? I need some of these actually. We've got a motorcycle jacket from Levi's. This is cute. I don't have one of these. What is this sleeve? This looks like some pilgrim stuff. What is this? Another sweater. I am extremely confused about this. For when I go to the Catalina wine mixer. I could see this. I feel like it's Christmas and I'm not trying to offend my family members when I open their gifts. And I'm like, oh, wow, thanks. Avocado. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little crop top with the pilgrim sleeves again. Low-key reminds me of like early 2000s Britney Spears. Butterflies. They're back. I'm like butterfly. Going on. Pros and cons with all of them. Obviously, Trunk Club, I think, is like one of the best ones because you get such a large variety of clothes to try. But like the cons, the price point. All of the clothes are over $100 and they kind of let you know that on the website. So it's like you can't really be mad at it, but I'm not going to pay $400 for a sweater vest. That's choking me. The lowest one, Tote. And that one, honestly, you don't really get a large variety of stuff. I feel like it wasn't very like tailored to me. It was just kind of more of just random stuff. But I will say each box did surprise me. All of the things that I thought were gonna look awful on me, I actually kind of liked, I think. If it wasn't for this box, I would have never tried on this shirt from Stitch Fix. And I actually really liked it. If I go out shopping, I wouldn't have picked this out. Because it's here at your house, you're trying it because it's like, hey, might as well. Plus, if you're having a bad day and stuff like isn't fitting or looking good and you want to have a meltdown, you could do it at the comfort of your own home. That's great. I love that. Oprah would say an aha moment is what I had. And here's what I realized. This is for the person who just needs maybe a little like refresher, something new. I think what I'm looking for is an actual physical stylist. If you are in the Los Angeles area and you're a stylist, call me. If you want to go. I'm serious, like I need some help. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me on this episode of Bailey Does. Let me know down below what else you want me to try on another episode of Bailey Does. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day today. You make great choices, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Bye.